Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give two integer numbers, and then our program will swap or interchange the arrangement of the two numbers using a temporary variable in C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, supporters in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this kind of video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share to anyone in social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. And if you are new with my channel, kindly support by clicking the subscribe button. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Thank you so much for your support. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Okay, so let's get started. So basically, I'm using dev C++ in writing this program. No? So some of you may ask, no, what kind of compiler or integrated development environment that I'm using, so that you have an idea that the code that I'm working with will run. Okay, so it is free to download in their website. No, kindly search over the internet at ladjet.net. Okay, so we have here line number 1, sharp include IO stream for input output. So this library file is used, no, in all C++ of a program for input output using namespace std and main. It is the starting point and ending point of execution of every C++ program. Line number 6, we have here left curly bracket begin in the body of our program. Line number 8, we have three variables that has a data type of integer. When we say integer, if we are new with computer programming, it refers to a data type that is whole number, negative number, including 0. There are no decimal places. So we have three variables in variable A, variable B, and temporary, where the swapping will takes place. And then we have here the title of our program, swapping two numbers in C++, new line here. And then line number 13 up to 16, we are asking the user to give value in variable A here and variable B. So what our program will do, it will display the original arrangement before swapping in this line of code, line number 18. And then in this line number 20 up to 22, it will perform the swapping. So we have temporary variable here, temp A equals B, B equals temp. And then this line of code will display the after swapping. And then line number 26, we have here new line end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended, new line, and then the right curly bracket here to close the body of our C++ program. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my website. Let us go to execute, compile, and run. Okay, our program now is running, swapping two numbers in C++, give value in variable A, let's say we have 7, variable B, let's say we have 10. So before swapping, the variable A has 7, variable B is 10. After swapping, the value right now of variable A is 10, variable B is 7. There is already an interchange in a program. Let us close. Let us run again for second time around. Let's say variable give value in variable A, let's say we have 500. Give value in variable B, let's say we have 1000. So before swapping, the value of variable A is 500. Variable B we have 1000. After swapping, the value of variable A will become 1000, and then the value of variable B will become 500 and on program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video of swapping of two numbers in C++ programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Kindly please like this video, share, and then if you are new with my channel, kindly support by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you so much for your support. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.